Tailgate Talk fans, we got an easy, quick video today. It's simply this brake light is out. Now the running light works, but the brake light does not work. So I'm going to show you how to switch out that bulb. It may look like, hey, there's no way to get into this thing. I can't see. I got to put a screwdriver in it. No. Don't do that. Let your tailgate down, and then you've got a 10 millimeter here and a 10 millimeter here. So start by taking those out first. All right, I got both the 10 millimeter bolts out, and now our tail light comes right out. And as you can see on the inside, it's simply this socket right here. You twist that counterclockwise, give a little tug, and boom, there's your light bulb. As you can clearly see, it is black and burned out. We got one good element, that's the running light, and then the burned out element, that's the brake light. So I'm going to pop that out and change that, and we're going to change it. It's a 7443 bulb, and you can find that actually on the bulb. I'm not sure you can see it in the video here. It'll be stamped on the bulb. I believe you can faintly see it right there at the top. 7443, or go to your local auto parts store and either ask them, or they'll have a book where you can look it up and get the right one. So I'm going to switch that out, get it in there, and then I'll show you how to put it all back. All right, so I've got my bulb in there, and one thing you want to look for when you put this back in is that little nib right there will line up with that little edge piece. And then all you got to do is go clockwise the other direction. That locks that in. And then the other thing you're looking for is this nib here, and this one here is going to line up with both of these holes. And it's just that easy. Push this back up here, get my holes lined up, press that in, and then all I have to do is put my bolts back in, and that's it. So I'll tighten those up. I won't bore you with that, and that's how you do it. This is a 2005 Toyota Tundra. That's going to hold true for several models in that age range.